Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is 39 degrees outside today. The wind chill is even colder, but it is sunny, so that is good that it is sunny. We got Dark Bro first in the chat, F-I-R-S-T. Good morning to you, Nick F, Sky Stonify, Crypto McDuck. How you doing, man? Chris. We got Chris, Dial Up, John J, Dark Bro, Mr. Brian, Dial Up, John J, Crypto McDuck, and Forgot My Cup. Where the heck is everybody at? Scheduled this live stream on time. There's 5 people in here. What is going on? Let's check out the market right now. We've got AMC at $6.05 right now, down 3.17% of the day. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $10.71. GameStop $18.32. Bitcoin sitting at $22,235. Very, very, very volatile morning today for Bitcoin. Coming down on Jerome Powell's speech, bouncing back up a little bit, and this 22.2 level is on fire for support right now. Man, Bitcoin is really trying to come down below it, but it just can't do it. 22.2 definitely seems to be holding up there. Nasdaq getting hit pretty hard today, down 0.77% right now. 18.33 on GameStop. Your Therapeutics $3.01. AMC $6.06. Ethereum $1,553. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.71 right now. Dogecoin 7.3 cents. Sorry. Bitcoin sitting at 22.2. Sundial $1.75. Mullen Auto 21 cents today. It is down 8%. CEI $1.70. The SPY $400. BBIG 47 cents. Highcroft Mining 34 cents. Netflix sitting at $3.10. QQQ $2.97. And Ape sitting at $1.75 right now. We are going to watch Bitcoin down here in the bottom left. See how that plays out. But my goodness, I'm glad you guys are in here today. It is going to be a good Taco Tuesday, despite Jerome Powell trying to ruin our fun. Yeah, about that. Why is crypto like dying? Why, for the love of baby Jesus, please stop. Oh my gosh, now I need a Tylenol. So much downness happening. If only we could be positive. Yeah, John J, man. So Jerome Powell speaking this morning, and crypto stocks, they're coming down right now because Jerome Powell said that basically we should expect a bumpy ride for when we're lowering inflation. So the inflation is going to be a bumpy ride from here on out, which means you guys know what bumps do. Bumps go up and down, up and down, up and down. Bumps go up and down. So Jerome Powell expecting inflation to actually increase now instead of continuously decrease. So the market reacting pretty negatively to that. Let's see here. I want it to be known. I appreciate all the interaction with people in the chat. Crypto McDuck, man. I appreciate everybody being as active as they are in the chat. It is absolutely incredible to see. And really, man, that's what makes these live streams so much fun, is that we get on here, we can interact with each other, and it's much better than being able to just go in and answer comments and stuff like that. Very interactive chat is the way that I like to keep it. Shibarium out yet? Asking for a Pudgy. Shibarium is not out yet. Good morning to you, Tiffany Lynn. Sky Stonify, what's going on, man? Don't be so salty. Yo, how you doing? GBTC rallying. GBTC shouldn't necessarily be rallying right now. Let's see where GBTC is. It is, for some reason, yes, rallying right now. GBTC sitting at 1260, up 7%, which is interesting. So this is the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF, and it was trading at nearly a 50% discount down here in this area, and it has since, been moving to the upside. So it's very strange to see GBTC rallying to the upside on a day when Bitcoin is coming to the downside. So yeah, that is interesting to see, and thank you very much for pointing that out, Crypto Greg. Patrick! First to hydrate, Dark Bro, baby, dilly to you, Dark Brilly, absolute lily. Thank you very much, Patrick. For the authorized hydration, man, it's what gets me through these streams. I love it. 12 in the chat, 11 likes. Nice. Don't be so salty. Thank you very much for reminding me how many people click the like button. I do want to see, however, none of you guys told me that you did not have an ad on the way in, and I did not turn the ads on. So, next, you remember, remind Claybro if you don't get an ad on the way in. Let's see, Grayscale busting out, GBTC, Crypto Gray. So it is possible that, and I don't know what the what the underlying value of GBTC would be right now. When it was down at $7 per share, it was trading at a 50% discount because everybody was concerned that they did not have the reserves, that they did not have the Bitcoin that they claimed to have, and GBTC was getting hit very hard alongside of Bitcoin, yes, but the concern was that they didn't actually have the Bitcoin that they claimed to have. So it may be rallying back on some investor confidence returning to the space in terms of, these cryptocurrency exchange reserves and things like that. Libra, take a look at some stupid gains on Terrarium. Absolutely clean. If that means inflation will be a bumpy ride, does that mean the bottom hasn't happened yet? If it takes a few bounces to crank the big bounce. Yes, Chris. I think, so you don't mean the bottom of inflation, right? You mean the bottom of the market. There is a very high likelihood that you are correct. The bottom in cryptocurrency and stocks may not have happened yet. Now, it doesn't necessarily guarantee that. So, just to look at it, and Dark Bro will look at Terrarium in 2 seconds here. If you're looking at the NASDAQ overall, we're right here. If inflation does peak back up, like I highly doubt inflation goes all the way back up to 9%. If inflation goes up to 9%, yeah, dude, we're tanking. We're definitely hitting some new bottoms. If it is a bumpy ride, okay, and it ticks up 0.1%, 0.2% or whatever, we'll probably see some declines here. If it takes back up again, we'll probably see some more declines. If it ticks up like 3 months in a row, yeah, dude, I think we're probably going to hit some new bottoms there. But if it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back, like if it drops to 6% and then back up to 6.1, down to 5.9, up to 6.2, down to 5.8, up to 6, if it's something like that of a bumpy ride, we may just channel in this area and we may not hit new lows. So the bottom theoretically could still be in, but if we're talking some quarterly swings here, and you get 1 month, 2 months, 3 months of rising inflation in a row again, well, yeah, dude, I would imagine that we're going to be seeing some new lows. If that's the case, if it's month by month, maybe not necessarily, but if we string together several months of inflation increases, yeah, I think that we are going to be. I think that we're going to be touching some new lows, if that's the case. And hopefully that doesn't scare you guys. But it's true, right? That's what we're going to be looking at. Let's see. When do Superfly stickers start? We need to KO Clay this time. No, dude, don't KO me. My gosh, man, you guys are ridiculous. Sarah does step 50 Shades of Green. What's going on, Sarah? Glad to have you in here. Good morning, Sarah. Good afternoon, Sarah. Good evening, Sarah. Actually, it could be good evening for you. Is it 5 p.m. there? Bottom equals lowest number you can think of, and then add 2 zeros. Yes, Patrick, for sure on that one. We desperately deserve some good news. Just seems bad after bad after bad. Dude, it really does seem to be some bad news. And then you see a lot of stuff floating around. We're not going to be talking about politics and stuff, but you see a lot of stuff floating around. Dude, I really don't know. Like, if I sat here and lied, like straight bold-faced lied to you guys every day, I would wonder about your mental capacity if you continued to come in here every single day and allow me to lie to you. I think the government, man, I think that they just lie to us left and right with literally no intentions of ever telling us the truth. So who the heck knows? I mean, the inflation rate could be 50% right now. It could be 50%. Dude, you go out to eat, it's obscene right now to go out to eat. You go to the grocery store, it's still obscene, but it's a lot cheaper than going out to eat. And, I feel comfortable complaining about these prices. Thank goodness I can still afford to go out to eat and go to the grocery store. But I'm telling you, man, it's more than a 6% increase that we're paying when we go to the store and when we go out to eat. It's much, much more than a 6% increase. It's more like a 60% increase. Let's see. So, if I put my right foot in, put my left foot out, put my left foot in, and I shake it all about, if I do the hokey pokey and I turn my life around, that's what I'm talking about. Happy Taco Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Taco Tuesday to you. Dark Bro, did you get in on this yesterday? Did you take, like, were you able to sell? I mean, Dark Bro, didn't you say you got in here yesterday? Are you really sitting on some 20x gains? What is going on, man? Do they let you sell, dude, or is this some honeypot at this point? I gotta know on this one, man, because you said you got, didn't you say you got in on some yesterday? Didn't you say you got in after this ridiculous, like, 80% decline here? Oh my gosh. I gotta know, man. I gotta know. Patrick! Thank you very much for the 5 green names. Crypto Greg got a green name. Jonathan Lawson got a green name. SD got a green name. PS5 got a green name. And Adam got a green name. Thank you very much, Patrick. Guys, if you got a green name, please throw a thank you out to Patrick right now. I want to see nothing but thank yous and gratitude come across the screen. Loving it right now. Thank you very much, Patrick. Absolutely appreciate those 5 green names, man. Remember, you can eat lunch for 5. Yeah, no kidding, dude. No kidding. JJ, $5 was lunch. It was $5 was in my mind. $5 was lunch. $10 was dinner. That was the way I thought about it. You were paying $5 if you're going out to eat, right? $5 for lunch, and you were paying $10 for dinner. Now you're sitting here, dude, and it's like $19, $20 for a dinner, and that's if you're not going to get steak somewhere. If you're going to get steak, it's like $22, $23, $24. Lunch, dude, yeah, you're right. $9, $10, $11, $12 for lunch. Go to Five Guys, you're probably dropping $16, $17, $18. I tried to buy Terrarium yesterday, but MetaMask wouldn't let me. Dang it, I gotta know. I'm still waiting for the big dip. It's a whale manipulated coin for sure. I did the research on the wall. No, unfortunately, I waited for the dip. Dang it, Dark Row, man. I thought you got in yesterday. No. 20x gain would have been insane on that one. Once again, guys, throw some thank yous into the chat right now for Pat, dude. Pat, thank you very much for those 5 green names. Absolutely love it. Clark Sunday, aloha kakahiaka, brother. What's going on, Clark? I'm glad that you're the gray name because you might be getting a green name in here pretty soon. Question: how will the Voyager bankruptcy with an estimated 5.17 trillion Shib liquidate affect the continued price? Because that's a lot of dead weight being input daily. Yeah, so Crypto McDuck, this bankruptcy with Voyager and the Binance deal here, it's all going to depend. The money is still ours, right? So, and I do plan on, I plan on not liquidating, but I do plan on transferring. Once everything goes through with Binance, I'm not going to hold it on Binance, and hopefully I don't hold it, hopefully I stay up to date on it, and I don't even hold it on Binance for more than like 3 hours, okay? I plan on when you are allowed to have your cryptocurrency transferred over to Binance, I plan on immediately taking that to Binance's Trust Wallet or a MetaMask wallet, just immediately. I am not going to let that sit on Binance, especially Binance US, knowing that you've got the FBI and the SEC looking into ties between Binance and Binance US right now. Not going to happen. So I do believe a lot of people will liquidate, not enough to necessarily tank the price, but I do believe a lot of people will liquidate once their funds hit the Binance account. They'll either cash out from Binance. I'm not going to cash it out. I'm going to move my stuff over to either Trust Wallet or MetaMask there. Can we get a preparation A chat? I don't know, man. I guess you could if you search that on Google. So if you want preparation A chats, Make sure to search Preparation H on Google. YouTube tailors the ads to your specific needs there. Michael, thank you very much. Congrats to the new green names. May your finances show nothing but green. Now that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. I hope everybody sees nothing but green. Michael, man. Powell, charts, babbling, and nobody cares unless you fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Michael. Absolutely appreciate that. Guys, here's what I was thinking, though. Michael kind of reminded me. So I am thinking about integrating the Streamlabs Super Chats in instead of, well, in addition to, not instead of, in addition to the YouTube Super Chats there. I don't know if Pika was really good at making that banana sticker, and Pika made like the no ignore sticker and all of that stuff. I'm wondering if Pika or somebody could make some like legit stickers, if I can make them and integrate them with Streamlabs there to do, you know, the banana, the hot dog, the salt shaker, the unicorn, the stuff you guys like, fist bumps and stuff like that. So I am thinking about doing that. Got to set up a business account or something before you're able to do that. So just a heads up, if anybody has any ideas for some stickers like that, or you don't want me to leave one out for sure, hit it in the Discord or something and let me know what we should keep track of there. Otherwise, you could just leave the emoji just like he did there with the king fist bump. Let's see. It's okay to look at the wallet. Look at the wallets on that, bro. You'll see what I mean. It will dip back down. No, I believe it'll absolutely dip back down, Dark Bro. I believe it'll dip back down. I would test it first, dude. When you got moves like that, it just looks so much like a honeypot, dude. Like you can't sell your cryptocurrency. So that's the only thing that I would be slightly concerned with, is that those pumps like that might be massive buys, but can those people even sell at that point? It's not steak. That's a steak, not steak. Yes, that is a steak, not steak. Crypto McDuck. I honestly, dude, I'm not going to brag, but I feel like I can cook fairly well. And you go out to a restaurant, man, it's twice as expensive, if not 3 or 4 times as expensive is what you're going to be paying if you cook dinner at home. And 90% of the time, it's not even as good. And I would say that other 10% of the time that it is just as good or better than what you would make at home, it's because, dude, they load it up with a bunch of sauce that you're probably gaining 3 pounds when you go there. And the sauce has like 80 pounds of sugar in it. And, you know, it's the sauce that makes it taste good when you go to a restaurant. So, I really don't know, man. Going out to eat ain't doing it for me anymore. Let's see. Hey, if the bottom will come still, and with the past bottoms come a major company crashing, do you think it will be the same or more a crypto this time, since they are trying to? Yes. So, Chris, I got that on that one. The previous dips in the cryptocurrency market were the major legs down on Voyager news, on Celsius news, on FTX news, and so on. I think I don't know if I talked about it in the live stream yesterday or one of the videos yesterday, but yes, dude, I really do think that the chance of a business going down is Binance. Okay, I believe that and that's not to create Binance FUD. I think Binance is fine. But the SEC literally has like their scopes on Binance right now and trying to take them out. So they might even lie to take them out. You know what I mean? So Binance is theoretically in trouble. If Binance collapses because of the SEC or because of some fake news that these guys are trying to put out there, please expect Bitcoin to be below $10,000. I would even say, you know, below $5,000. If it's not the collapse of a company like Binance, then yes, it is going to be massive regulation here in the United States, or even worse than that, let Binance continue to do business, but if they make crypto illegal to buy, sell, and own here in the United States, I also think you see a crash unlike what we've seen so far. So when you go from $30,000 to $20,000 on Bitcoin, I wouldn't think it's impossible if they ban crypto here in the United States for Bitcoin to go from 20,000 down to 2, 3, 4, 5,000 if they ban it. Let's see. Dilly Dilly sticker. We could use a Dilly Dilly sticker. Yes, definitely an authorized hydration sticker. Clay pot no THC fund. Clay pot. Yes, clay pot, but no THC fund. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. My goodness. Yeah, we're going to have Pika. Hey, there's Pika. What's going on, Pika? How are you doing? We need an authorized hydration sticker for sure, Pat. I love that one. Glowstone to the moon. Don't miss out. There you go. Outdoor smile. I know Dark Bro's saying the same thing with you. Yes, I prefer to cook for myself also. I couldn't afford eating in the restaurant I worked at. Mark, isn't it crazy? I mean, isn't it crazy? It's ridiculous, dude. And you could afford to go there, but you're not going to be able to afford to go there every day or anything. I don't know anybody that can literally afford to just go out to eat every day. It's just fiscally irresponsible to do that, man. My sauce has low carbs. My sauce has low carbs too, man. I ain't putting a bunch of carbs in my sauce. I'll tell you that right now. Shiba giving us some sideways action. I'll take it. That's good news. Better than downside action all day long on that one, man. CBD fund. Oh, what is that, man? What is a CBD? Is that like a central bank digital minus the asset? Central bank debt? Central bank digital? Hey, Dark. Hey, Chris. Pika. Yes, crypto bam. Big money looking to put the little guy down. I'm telling you, Caesar, they really are. So here's the thing with crap like that. You know, a crypto ban, they could come out and say, you know what? Cryptocurrency is too dangerous for retail investors to own and hold. Let's make it only available for institutional investors. Boosh! You see a huge sell-off in the price of crypto. Who are the idiots that get to go in there and buy it then? The institutions, right? And if you think that wouldn't be fair, they don't care. They could absolutely do that. Make it only available for institutions to own cryptocurrency so that these guys can get in at rock bottom prices. And then, after regulatory clarity comes out, then, after they've assessed all of the risks associated with the cryptocurrency market, then they slowly allow you to buy back in, and retail drives the price up and creates trillions of dollars of wealth for the institutions. Pat needs hydration. Boom! On it, baby. Pika Pika! Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you very much, Pika. Absolutely love it. Dilly Dilly, maybe trademarked, even though the marketing VP from Anheuser-Busch is on record saying it doesn't actually mean anything. Well, it does not mean anything, man. And it rhymes with Brilly, which is the illy version of a bro. So Dark Brilly, Dilly Dilly to you. Pet, actually been thinking of going more CBD than THC. Dude, what is this guy? Speaking algebra? Hood, THC gets you high. CBD gets you healthy. Less psychedelic, more for body pain, anxiety, etc. Okay. I don't know if that's a true statement or not. I don't know if it gets you more healthy, but Chris is our in-house expert, so I'm going to have to defer this one to him. He clearly knows more about the situation than I do. All right, THC is the one that gets you out of there, and CBD is apparently the good one. Patrick, thank you very much, Pika. Always up for some hydration from the Queen Unicorn. Oh, yes. This one's for Pika. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration with the Queen Unicorn for Pika Power. Absolutely love it, man. Patrick, thank you very much. Pika, thank you very much. What's happening, Clay, bro? Smokey in the house. What's going on? Oh, Smiley, not Smokey. What's going on, Smiley? How you doing, man? 34, just around the corner. What are the odds we share a birthday of all YouTubers? Caesar, I'm telling you, man. 34 around the corner. My Goodness, dude. When you say it, it makes me feel old. All right, Dark Bro is gone. Dark Brilly. Dark Brilly, man. What's up, Dark Brilly? You can bring Dark Bro back. You can trust me. You can bring Dark Bro back. I like the Dark Bro, but Dark Brilly's cool too. A U.S. crypto ban would equal me finding family in another country. Yes, 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 and yes. You should start now, dude. Start now. Start the vetting process. Because it's gonna need to be somebody that you can trust. I'll tell you that right now. Somebody, even if you don't necessarily trust them, dude, find somebody that you can trust to set you up with a little corporation that is headquartered in some South American country or some European country that embraces cryptocurrency. And therefore, you can still control the corporation. Yeah, sure, absolutely. But, yeah, you're going to need to find some friends and family in another country if that's what we end up dealing with. Now it's Dark Brilly, baby. Nice, Dark Brilly. Later, bro, fam. Got to get to work on selling these Funko Pops, but I'll pop in the afternoon live, hopefully. King Mamba, man, thank you very much for being in here. Loving it. Have a good morning, and hopefully you sell 1 million of them, man. Chris is our in-house vegetable gardener. That he is, man. He is our in-house lettuce expert. Quick, look some of this stuff up, just for the knowledge or perspective. Watched Cooked with Cannabis. They explain a lot of crap. You'd understand the bud tasting. Landscaper, in-house vegetable gardener, all kinds of grass. This dude's got us covered, man. This dude's got us covered. All types of greenery. He has got us covered. There you go, Chris. Hey, bro, fam. What's going on, Gorilla? Hopefully you're having a good day so far. That's better. Dark Brilly 521. Dark Bro Brilly. Dark Bro Brilly. There you go, man. Outdoor Smile. How much glowstone shill does $2 buy? All of it, man. All of it. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Dang, man. Terrarium up 25x right now. Glon. It's glon above an $80,000 market. Ooh. Glon sitting at a $90,000 market cap right now. Very interesting. Couple days ago, guys, look at that chart. Couple days ago, Glon was sitting at a $75,000 market cap, and then an 80, and then an 85. Yesterday, I believe, was 86 or 88, and here it is sitting at a $90,000 market cap. Glon is looking good, looking to retest these major levels of resistance over the last 3 months, and it is still down big time from where it was before. So you can see a nice pop up if we get back out there to the all-time highs. You guys are going to be sitting on another, what is this, 10? No, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple in price, man. You guys are going to be sitting on some more 5x gains if it's able to get back up to those levels. $1,700. The volume is down from yesterday, but nonetheless, man, the price is up. So Glon looking good over the last 24 hours with a nice little pop right there. Any broettes want to buy a Funko Pop? Toss in free flowers for your address. There you go, man. Dude, King Mamba. I don't know how much flowers cost, but I think that they probably cost much more than the price of a Funko Pop, depending on the flowers, right? So watch out for that one. You might be losing money on that deal right there. Don't send expensive flowers, or they're probably going to be much more expensive than the Funko Pops, dude. Oh, man, Kennedy was getting Powell in that Fed meeting. I wish they would have just kept going with him. Dude, I'm telling you, I didn't watch it. I was watching the highlights come in and news articles being written about it. Dude, to me, it's a little strange that Jerome Powell can be so optimistic one week and then literally the next week he's pessimistic. And he says inflation's doing great. Oh, inflation's going to be bumpy. We're going to have a soft landing, but the soft landing might be on rocks. It's very strange, dude. Shibarium and Shibro make the marvelous duo. Oh, yes. Shibarium and Shibarium, baby. Oh, gosh. Thank you very much for the super chat, Pat. Absolutely appreciate that. And I will tell you, I have still not seen Chip Bro yet. But you guys remember Littletail. I went to Walmart over the weekend and I bought a bunch of birdseed. So Littletail has been active every single day for like the last 3 days. Very excited about that. That means the chipmunks are going to be coming back out soon, and I don't think that Littletail was able to store up enough food. He's hungry, so he's out there every day. Chipbro's probably still chilling in his hole right now with like loads of food. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration as well, Patrick. Really appreciate it. Serious. Let's say a person has their life savings invested in Shiba Inu. Now, the risk of it possibly being banned is real. When your portfolio is 98% worthless, taking a massive loss now sucks. Yeah, John Jay. See, the thing is, though, cryptocurrency being banned in the United States doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to tank down. It does, however, mean you may not have access to it unless you take a vacation, right? And if you take a vacation, like, I get it, literally nobody wants to deal with that. Having to go somewhere else to have access to your money. That is nonsense. But it doesn't mean that, like, things are down and out and completely over if they do decide to ban cryptocurrency. I believe that there will be a very large sell-off. I believe that the prices will come down, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to have access to it if you really want to have access to it. So those are the things you got to keep in mind, man. Don't let it be like a terrible detriment. But I do think that I don't think it, listen, some other guys might tell you that it's never going to happen. We're only going to go up. Well, I truly believe that there is a chance of a cryptocurrency ban. It doesn't make sense. We've gone over this. It doesn't make logical sense to ban cryptocurrency. It makes sense to allow it to flourish, allow people to generate some income, allow them to get wealthy, pay taxes on their wealth, and all of that stuff. It's going to be a massive income for the United States if they embrace it. Well, if they have to choose between income and control, I think they're going to choose control over income. So, that's kind of my thought process on it. I don't think it's impossible. I'm not trying to be some doom and gloom dude, but I do think that it is a possibility we should be aware of. Am late. Did Litecoin moon yet? J-Bones, baby. It did, but it came back down. I have no idea where Litecoin's at. We'll look at it in a second here. Pika. Sweet. I'm going to quit my job right now. Boom, baby. J-Bones, me too, man. See you guys later. All right. I'm just kidding. Pika, sell all of your Paul for Litecoin. Oh, I want to see where Paul's at. I haven't seen Paul yet today. Wait, explain that. I own Shiba. If it gets banned and we can't have access to it, will we just lose all that money or will we break even? What happens in that situation? Chris, so here's a couple things, man, that I could see playing out in that type of a situation, okay? And I don't know what the answer is going to be because I don't know how they would go about banning it. So it could be a similar situation to when an exchange delists a coin. So if they give you a heads up, if they say this is a hypothetical scenario, if anybody's just entering right now, this is a hypothetical scenario, nobody said this. Let's say they say on April 1st, let's say May 1st, so you guys don't think this is some sort of an April Fool's joke. May 1st, Shiba Inu coin or cryptocurrency in general is going to be banned in the United States. Centralized exchanges will be forced to shut down, and you will no longer have access to DeFi wallets. So you're not going to be able to go on your Apple App Store and download a DeFi wallet. It is going to be considered illegal. Apple's not going to support it, and so on. What you're very, very likely to see are people simply cashing out. Okay? If you know that it's coming and you're not going to have access to it anymore, you're likely to see a major spike down in price because there's basically going to be a run on the bank. If you've got it on Coinbase, if you've got it on these locations, you're likely just going to cash it out and then put the cash back in your bank. That's fine. They gave you the heads up, they allow you to do so, and you liquidate it. Similar situation could be if they don't necessarily give you a heads up, if they just say cryptocurrency is banned now, you're likely to see the centralized exchange liquidate your position. So if you had Terra Luna Classic on Webull just a couple of weeks, like last week or 2 weeks ago, whatever it was, they liquidated your position. They removed trading on like Crypto.com coin, Zcash, and Terra Luna Classic on Webull. They liquidated it for you. you had cash in your account right there. Now, an alternative would be if you wanted to still hold it because you believe in it, you could send it over to a trust wallet, to a cold storage wallet. Now, let's say you got one of them cold storage wallets that's like this, technically ownership may be illegal if they don't allow you to own cryptocurrency. They would probably just ban the trading of cryptocurrency. But, you could put it on a flash drive like this, put it in your safe, and, if they ever make it legal again, you would have access to it at that point. Another alternative, you transfer it over to a trust wallet. Well, clearly you can't access trust wallet here in the United States. So let's say you take a vacation down to Mexico, and you go to Cancun for the weekend, and you're literally in Mexico right there, so you are abiding by Mexican law, and then of course you may have access if Mexico has different laws, or whatever country. So Canada would be another one, but I imagine Canada would ban it too. So there's a lot of different scenarios that can go on in a ban type of a situation. But I think what you would really see is just a major sell-off, people getting out, and people abiding by the rules there. For the vacation, I am definitely UAE bound. Crypto McDuck, man. There you go. Wait, can you seriously see them banning crypto? Sarah Deste, 50 Shades of Green. I can, yes, seriously see them doing it. I don't think that the probability is in favor of them doing it. I think that they might just be going through some ridiculous control freak kind of patterns right now. If they realize that they can't control it, that's when I think that they ban it. If they get complete control of it, if the SEC makes sure that any tokens have to register with them, that they get their cut, that we pay the mafia in order to continue this cryptocurrency game, then I don't think that they ban it. I think that they're going to be completely fine with that. They're going to take their cut. They're going to own it just like the mafia owns the businesses, and they won't ban it in that situation. But if they can't control it, me personally, I believe that the control is more important to them than the revenue that they would generate from it. So if that's the case, then yes, I seriously can see them banning it in that situation, but I would say it's an unlikely situation. Shout out for Jordan. What's going on, Jordan? If people need holders, if USA bans it, do you need someone to hold your value? Someone to trust. For a fee of €1 per day, I've got you covered. I'm making. And you know what, Jordan? I'll tell you this right now, man. I'll tell you this right now. That could be a very, very lucrative business. It truly could, right? Custody, and I don't know what kind of regulations you'd have to go with, but if you set up shop in Panama or something, you're probably not going to be heavily regulated. You could set up business in Panama. For example, I don't know Panama's regulations there. You could set up a custody business, and for, yes, £1 a day, you would be able to custody everybody's cryptocurrency from the U.S. that they wanted. And the same way you could have a Swiss bank account, you could have a Panama crypto account. And you would be able to custody your crypto with Jordan down there, and it's completely legal, but you wouldn't be able to have access to it while you're here in the United States. So, Jordan, you might think you're funny on that one, but you could be sitting on the next multi-million or potentially billion-dollar business if the United States decides to get a little frisky. So, dude, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to look into that, man. Let's see. Pika Power. We got one for J Bones, baby. J Bones, man. This King Unicorn is for you. Ooh, sideways horn. No, we want a straight up horn. Oh, come on. Give me, yeah. Give me the straight up horn there. Ooh, yeah. J Bones, man. This one's for you. J-Bones, that's for you from Pika, man. J-Bones, or Pika, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys are the best, man. J-Bones, you better have liked that unicorn right there. I don't even see you in the chat right now. J-Bones, say thank you to Pika. Say thank you to Pika, J-Bones. She just sent you a love-filled unicorn king right there. I like it. More gains from Litecoin going into it. Nice, Pika. If they ban crypto, though, you still have to do the lives, right? I mean, I'm sure. What entirely would... No, yeah, Tiffany, for sure. If they ban crypto, we're going to talk about when we're going to unban crypto. We're going to talk about stocks. We're going to talk about all of that stuff. And we can talk about how to access your crypto in a foreign country if they do end up banning crypto. I'm going with a uber high crypto tax versus an outright ban. Yeah, crypto McDuck, very, very well could be. But, you know, if they have an uber high tax, okay, my personal opinion is that falls under their standards of control, right? If they do have an uber high tax, they feel like they're controlling it at that point. And if they feel like they're in control of it, I'm 100% with you that they will not ban cryptocurrency. Am I right, Ryan? Am I right? What do you think? What do you think about this cryptocurrency ban, Ryan? Tell me now. Tell me now what you think of this little Fredo, bro. Ryan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Heading back to the office. Thanks for the lunchtime entertainment. Take care, bros. Boom. Don't be so salty. Appreciate you being in here, man. Powell crushed it on us. I'm talking balls, man. I don't get Jerome Powell sometimes. Dude, I think he must call up like his nieces and nephews and be like, do you guys need some money or do you want a dip buying opportunity? And they say, we want a dip buying opportunity, Uncle Powell, Uncle Jerome, give us a dip. Then he gives him a dip. Oh, Uncle Jerome, we really need some money right now. We need to cash out. We need to cash out. Can you make the price go up? Yeah, and then he comes in the next week. Oh, we've got a soft landing ahead of us. Inflation is under control. Everything is fine. So I think he calls his niece and nephew up and gets the inside scoop on what they need. Do I buy more Paul now, or do I wait for the dip? Peak of power. Let's see where Paul's at right after I say J Bones. Thank you very much for the super chat for Queen Pika Pika. Pika? Pika Pika? Queen Pika. Getting the roses. Man, that's a full... Is that a full dozen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10... 11, 12. You thought it was you thought it was a random number. You thought it was an accident. But Peak of Power, J Bones, 100% did that many roses on purpose. That is a dozen roses for our beautiful Queen Pika. I love it. J Bones, man. Thought she could coordinate that one without us noticing, but no, it did not work. A dozen roses for Queen Pika right there. Loving it, J Bones. Pika, yes, she's grabbing them roses. Ryan, you see these roses? You see these cryptos? Ryan, read my comment, Fredo. What did Ryan say? Fredo, you ain't Michael. Michael, I'm Michael. You're Fredo. You fumbled the gun and almost shot yourself when the Don got shot. What? Don got shot, dude? I did not fumble any gun. I'm Michael. I did not fumble any gun. That was you, Fredo. You're the one that fumbled the gun. Probably gonna get in trouble for saying gun 6 times. Hold on. Hold, please. I clicked the wrong button there. I need to go back down. Ryan, thank you very much, Ryan. James, nothing like free flowers. Oh, yes. And if you buy a Funko Pop off King Maba, you really do get free flowers. Let's go see what we've got going on with Paul. I wanted to see Paul. Paul swap currently sitting at 78.93, bouncing back a little bit off 7,000, 6,900 lows here. 78. This coin is not trying to drop down. I'm telling you, man. Now I do think it'll drop down pretty heavy if the overall cryptocurrency market gets blasted, but yeah, this coin is not wanting to drop. Let's go take a look at some of the holders. We're already up to 8,500 holders. The holders basically doubled since last week. That is wild to see these holders doubling since last week. Somebody buying 58,000 Paul. That's a pretty low amount of Paul. I think they might have accidentally. I don't know if this is the same person or not. Yes, it is. This is the same person. So they sent a bunch back to Uniswap. So they sold. They took a little bit of profit there. Sending it back to Uniswap. Gotcha. And then they sent it some more to a different wallet address. So this guy out here, This guy's cleaning shop, man. Let's see what this guy's doing. He is definitely cleaning shop right now. My gosh, dude, look how active this wallet is. I don't know if this is a contract address or what, man. This is not. There's no way this is a person. There's no way that's a person right there. It's way too active to be a person. Gate.io. Man, Gate.io is sitting on $5 million worth of Paul right now. MEXC sitting on 500 grand worth of Paul. Paul Bridge sitting. Gosh, man, people got a lot of money in Paul right now. This wallet has been taking some massive profits. Yeah, this wallet's been taking some massive profits. Interesting to see some of these larger wallets taking a lot of profits on Paul there. We've got, I saw the one from Ryan. Yes, Outdoor Smile says, for Outdoor Smile. Thanks, Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile is the man. We've got a little authorized hydration from Outdoor Smile to Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, for the Outdoor Smile. Oh, Outdoor Smile. I hit the spot, man. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile. I love it. Do I have to send my address? Piga? Unfortunately, it does seem like yes. Yes, you do. Fredo, you don't want to know what Michael does to you at the end of The Godfather. You can't be Michael, Fredo. You should be grateful for me letting you be Fredo. You're gonna get demoted. Who's below Fredo? Ryan, I don't want to get demoted. I want to get promoted, Fredo. I want to get promoted, Fredo. I want to be Mike. Is Michael good or is Michael bad? I don't know. Deuces, peeps. Catch y'all later. Chris, man, peace out to you. Please come back in the afternoon live stream. Thank you very much for being in here. Absolutely appreciate your presence, dude. The great questions. And enjoy the day. I know it's a little cold out, but at least it's sunny, man. So if you're working outside, hopefully you're all good there. Later. Nah, dude, we knew you meant later, dude. Come on, we knew it. Don't forget the bank account and the routing number. Yes, those are important. Make sure to send your bank account and send your routing number as well. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Let's see. I don't know where I should buy Paul, but I truly, you know what? What do you guys think? You guys see all this stuff going on Twitter. I personally do think Paul dips down. I really, really do. I think it dips down from where it's at right now. The other one that Queenie is promoting right now, that KTO, Countani, or whatever the coin is, it's only got like a $4 million market cap or something, and it is up from where it was since Queenie started promoting it, but that coin's been out for like over a year. I'm slightly skeptical that those guys are going to be able to make something of it. I'm not skeptical of Paul's team, because Paul's team is basically the Shiba Inu coin team minus Satoshi. So I'm not skeptical that those guys are going to be able to do something. But KTO, it's been out for a very long time, and they haven't necessarily been able to do anything until Queenie jumped on board. So I've got my doubts about KTO, but Paul, man, I don't know. I would love to get in at a lower price. I don't know where you guys are looking at prices, but yeah, I would love to get in at a lower price. Jerome Powell, Brandon, and Satoshi is better than Fredo, or is worse than Fredo. I do not want to get demoted to Jerome Powell, Brandon, or Satoshi, dude. Come on now. Don't demote me to any of those things. My goodness. McDuck, I'm going to stick Al Neri on Fredo. Who is Al and why are you going to stick him on me? I think I'll pass on the free flowers. Me too, man. Me too. I'll go to Five Below and get a Funko Pop. I think Paul dips down too, but I'm still going to buy a couple $100 million. And if it dips, I'll buy it again. Yeah, so here's my kind of ideas on Paul Swap. And I don't know if these guys, you guys saw this, right? I don't know if they're ever going to spend any of this marketing wallet here, but I think that they already have. Did they break up their marketing wallet already? Huh. Hey, do you guys know what happened to that marketing wallet? I swear they had 1% of their coin in the marketing wallet. Did they change it to the development wallet? Yeah, because they had 10 trillion coins. 10 trillion coins in a marketing wallet. And I don't know what they did. If they already spent that, dang, they didn't spend it on me. That sucks if they already spent it. But I truly believe it dips down too. I don't know where to, but like you're looking at people that have literally 20, 30x their money over the last couple of weeks. They're going to be taking profits soon. They have to. Let's see. Clay, look at Doki Inu. Big things happen. 11,000 followers on Twitter. It's getting listed on big exchanges. We'll take a look at Doki Inu again. We've got Doki sitting at 14% gains today. 0.0016 right now. Only $1 million market cap. That is a very low market cap. And yes, they've only been out for a couple days, right? February 28th is when they shot up on coin market cap here. And they ran up to 0.0025, nearly a 10x increase. Pulled back about 50%, and they're up slightly today, 14% right there. They have been making some wild gains over the last 1 week period. So Doki Inu, another one. If you guys are interested in it, only on 491 watch list. Don't know how you find these coins. Dangerous, yes, because it is brand new, and because it has an extremely low market cap. But, danger breeds reward, and danger breeds loss, but danger breeds reward as well. Shibarium needs to release something, even if it's just some info on burns. Stig Beater, I 1 billion% agree with you, man. I cannot think of a reason why they should not do that. I 1 billion% agree with you. Number 23 on the like button. Oh my gosh, dude. These, if there's only 23 likes in here right now, I am hitting you guys with an ad. This is... Guys, click the like button. Who got an ad out there? Let me know. I got it. What? It's the first roll of the Shibarium Club. Don't talk about Shibarium. John Jay, you might be on to something on that one, man. Ryan, I thank you, Ryan, very much. Ryan is going to be rich with all of these coins that he buys with $1 million market caps. One of them is bound to take off. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Ads. Nufo loves the ads. I can think of a reason. Crypto McDuck, tell me a reason they should not release some information on Shibarium. And the reason better not be that Shibarium does not exist. Don't give me that one. I hope that Shibarium does exist. Stig Beater, not you. Darn it, man. Somebody better have gotten an ad out. Like, did I even... If I only got, like, a 1 cent from clicking that ad button, come on now. Pika Power! Leave a like, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to Pika Power and click that like button right now. Thank you very much, Pika, for the super chat. Absolutely love it. Really appreciate that. And yes, guys, click the like button. Pika said click the like. I want to see how many people click the like. There's 28 likes right now. That number better be going up. Greetings from Miami. Julio, what's going on? Julio. Any idea what is happening with the market? Everything is red. Yes. So, Jerome Powell speaking this morning, testifying, I believe, to Congress, and Jerome Powell basically stating that we are going to see a bumpy road when it comes to inflation from here on out. That means, bumpy roads to me, means that we're not going to see inflation just decline. We are going to see it bounce back and forth. We're going to see some bumps, man. We're going to see some ups and some downs, not just declines. And the fact that inflation is not actually under control, that we are going to see it increase and decrease. To the market, that means very bad news. Now, how big are those bumps? If we're just sitting on some little rocks, dude, you know, 1 month is down, 1 month is up, 1 month is down, 1 month is up, we're taking 2 steps forward, 1 step back, I don't think anybody's going to care. If, you know, we're moving up 0.5%, down 0.2%, up 0.5%, down 0.2%, if we're taking 3 steps back and 1 step forward, I think that Jerome Powell should probably lose his job, and so should everybody that's in charge right now. I mean, we can't have the United States economy getting destroyed because people are willing to print money like it doesn't mean anything. Fredo betrayed me again. Even though I sent him a super sticker with thousands of ads, he puts me through another... Oh, Ryan, man, thank you very much for watching that ad. I did not direct the ad towards you, man. Only 20 people clicked the like button, and I had to hit you guys with an ad. I wanted to know who was unlucky enough to get an ad there, and it was you. I like it. Ryan, thank you very much for watching those ads. And seriously, dude, thank you for all the super chats as well, man. I can't say thank you guys enough for all of that. Once Ryan reaches $1 million, we're going to wonder where he is. Yeah, Ryan, you better keep coming back, man. When Doki Inu goes up 100x to a $100 million market cap, you better continue to come here, man. We're gonna send King Mamba to get you. Wish everyone financial success. So I'm not trying to throw shade on anybody's investment portfolio. Crypto McDuck, I 100%. I really don't care, right? Clearly, I don't have any intentions of going out and buying Doki Inu right now. I am interested in Paul because of the team behind it, because of the popularity and all that stuff. But, dude, you know, if you guys are buying Glowstone, if you guys are buying Doki Inu, if you're buying KTO and all of that stuff, I really hope that they 100x, 200, 1000x. If you guys have $100 in it or whatever, and it 1000x's, and you're sitting on 100 grand, man, I'm not gonna be throwing shade at anybody for making money, even if it was even if it's a rug pull. If you want to take your chance at buying a rug pull and getting out before they pull the rug, dude, it's your money, man. I really don't care. I really don't care what you do with your money. You know, I don't work for your money. You work for your money. You should be able to spend it on whatever you want to spend it to a certain degree. Like, don't go buy a bomb or anything weird. But, you know, you wouldn't buy firework. Go buy a firework, dude. Light your money on fire and watch it explode in the air. You could literally do whatever you want with it, and I am okay with that. If you want to take some chances, take some chances. If you want to be conservative, be conservative. I bought Clay 5 likes. Peak of power. Thank you very much for those 5 likes. What happens when you hit the dislike button? Do we get in timeout? John J. I actually don't know nothing happens when you hit the dislike button. Let's see. Something gets its horns. If you hit the dislike button, something gets its horns. Is that what it is? I know people that have sold their Shiba because of the lack of info. They seem to be worried it may not be real. Stig Beater. I don't know anybody that sold their Shiba Inu coin because of that, but yeah, I do not doubt that that's the case, man. I do not doubt that that's the case. The crazy thing to me, the other day, I think it was the end of last week, I sat there in between live streams. I read every single medium from start to finish that Satoshi has ever posted. And I don't know if you guys realize this or not, but back at the beginning, like May, June, July of 2021, Shibarium was, he gave a release date. And he said that Shibarium is expected to be released by the end of the year. That was 2021. Shibarium was supposed to be done. So I don't know what the holdup is, but it's a 2-year holdup at this point. So that's nuts, man. All these exchanges are going down. Either way, I'm not trusting these exchanges. I do not blame you for not trusting the exchanges, man. Let's see. How do you explain working and giving you money then? I don't know. It's just good. It's good. It's good when that happens, Pudgy. If you send one of those super chats, it's good when that happens. These show me the peach, baby. D's, man, we know you love that peach. It is 1 o'clock. Rozzy comes in. It is 1 o'clock, so we go out. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon, of course. Hope that every single one of you guys have a great afternoon. Enjoy your lunch. Enjoy your work. Whatever you got to do today. And get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. Appreciate you guys for being so active in the chat. Keeping it going, man. Absolutely love it. Good conversation. Great community. You guys, man, you make everybody feel welcome. Pat, if you're still in here, dude, appreciate the 5 green names earlier, the super chats. J-Bones, man, with the roses to Pika. Pika with the Unicorn King to J-Bones there. Loving it, guys. Richie's Playing Talk, man. Getting that membership for 2 months, baby. Loving it, Richie's Playing Talk. Thank you very much for renewing that. Really appreciate that as well. Super chats always make my day brighter. That's why I do. Pika, really, thank you very much. Anybody that sends a super chat, guys, thank you very much for that. Patrick, that's silly. There's no disliking Clay. There's only a like button, though. So smash it like Prince Harry smashes. Never mind. I don't know where you guys come up with some of this stuff. Oh, gosh, Patrick, thank you very much. Richie, dude, thank you very much. Guys, let's do these shout-outs. We're going to be back this afternoon. Ryan, man, enjoy your day. Crypto McDuck, Dark Brilly Bro, or Dark Bro Brilly, see ya later. Stick, J-Bones, we got D's, Pudgy, J-Bones, Crypto McDuck, D's, Forgot My Cup, peace out to you, Bob, SD, later everyone, later SD, Tony D, see ya later. Pika Power, see ya later. We've got Richie's Playing Talk, Patrick, Pika Power, Lexus for Life, Gorilla Invictus, Crypto McDuck, Roulette Wheel, Richie's Playing Talk! 10 green names going out right now. We got Jan Carlo. We got Lance. We got Ozaus. We've got Army Vet Bro. Ooh, Army Vet Bro. I like it. Cryptocurrent. Yes, man. TG Pin. Connor. Taylor Com. We've got Tibaru. Viru. Yes. And Grizzly Bear. All getting a green name right now. Guys, as we're leaving, throw the shout-outs to Richie's Playing Talk right now, and please click on his channel and subscribe to that channel. If you guys did not know, Richie's Playing Talk also does cryptocurrency content, videos. Watch them, subscribe. Even if you don't want to watch a video every day, still subscribe to the channel and support the man the way that he's supporting the channel right now. Absolutely love it. Throwing the thank yous out for Richie right now. Getting these shout outs on the way out. Richie, man, thank you very much for those green names. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. We've got a shout out to Ryan, man. Grizzly Bear, Yorkie Enu, see you later. DD214, peace out to you. Tiffany Lynn, see you later. Nufo the Pool 2. Richie's Playing Talk, baby. Nufo, man, thank you very much for saying thank you to Richie. We've got a Peak of Power for King Ryan. Oh, yes. Tony D, man, see you later. Peace out to you. Patrick, Forgot My Cup, see you later. George, Ryan, Richie's Playing Talk, Shiba Inu de Puto. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Pika? Say it with me. Until the next time, Ryan, he's got the super chats. Ryan's got the super chats like his brother Michael has the super hats. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Shout out to you, Fredo, my brother. Shout out to Pika, Ryan, Gorilla, Hashmat, and Pudgy. Enjoy your day, guys. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I knew that Ryan would be coming in with another one. I knew that he would, and that's why I'm here. Ryan, I thank you, my Fredo. I thank you, my Fredo, for the super chat. Ryan, thank you very much. Ryan, man, absolutely appreciate it. Shout out to Ryan, D's, Ryan, Rich, Pico, Rich, Ryan, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, D's? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I thought I was gonna go, but I know I'm not gonna go, because Fredo is still here. Ryan, thank you very much for another super chat. Ryan, dude, thank you very much for another super chat there. Absolutely love it, man. Sorry to hit you with so many ads today, but thank you very much for the super chats. Shout out to D's, Ryan, Pika, Outdoor Rich, D's, Outdoor Ryan, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ryan again. No, Ryan, I don't know how I end up in the Godfather 2 because I had never watched The Godfather 2. But I imagine you're talking about yourself, Fredo. Don't talk about yourself in the third person like that. Ryan, man, thank you very much. Outdoor Smile, shout out to you. Ryan, DD214, Budgie, Ryan, Outdoor Smile, D's, Ryan, D's, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Ryan, he comes back again. He comes back again and again and again and again. Ryan, man, I will never break your heart. Pudgy, it's going to be okay, man. I promise it's going to be okay. Freddy, you fumbled the gun. I did not fumble the gun, Ryan. I would never do so. DD214, Peak Power, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. You're very, very close on that one, man. You almost got clicked on that one, Ryan. Ryan almost got clicked. Just like Fredo got clicked. You know what I mean? Ryan, you almost got clicked. You are Fredo, because you're getting clicked, Ryan. All right, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Read my last. Always reading your last. Outdoor Smile. Shout out to Ryan, Pudgy, Outdoor Smile, Pika, Ryan, D's, Outdoor. You guys know what time it is. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.